Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to sign up for Amazon affiliate program. Signing up for the Amazon affiliate program in the US is simple and straightforward. First, ensure you have a stable internet connection, then open your preferred browser, search for Amazon Associate Central US, click on the sign up option, and if prompted, choose the USA as your country. You'll need to log into your Amazon account or create one if you don't have it yet. Just verify your email to get started. Once logged in, fill in your account information, including your legal name, address, city, state, zip code, phone number, and primary contact details. Next, provide details about your website or mobile apps where you plan to share affiliate links. After completing the steps, review and submit your information, and you'll gain access to Amazon Associates Central, where you can start generating affiliate links and earning commissions immediately. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.